Hey guys, welcome at my YouTube channel. So I'm no native English speaker, I'm from Germany. I try to support you with this informations about removing the door panels of your Mercedes W203. First, you have to disassemble the cover of the door handle. For that, use a screwdriver to put it into a little slot at the gap, and then you can loosen with Torx screwdriver. Just a second, I'm gonna show you this gap for the screwdriver again. There are two screws you have to loosen, and then here's the gap. You have to go inside to loosen the cover. Be careful at this working, not to scratch anything. So once again the gap, and now we're speeding up 4 times the speed of the real life. After you loosen the screws, you need any magnetic equipment to get them out. Don't leave them inside, because you're gonna lose it somewhere, and for sure you won't find on the workshop floor. Next step is to loosen these clamps. I recommend you gonna buy at the Mercedes dealer, before you start with your work, 5 or 10 of these clamps, because some of them maybe gonna get broken, because the plastic is gonna hardening during the time. Here I would recommend lower the window, wind it down, before it would be easier to loosen the door blade, the door panel. Just a second, I'm gonna show you how to loosen this. We in Germany call it Bodenzug. That's what I show here, the other thing, how to loosen it. Why did we this removal? We want to change one of the wooden interior panels at the inside, and so I'm gonna show you how to loosen them. Don't only lift the clamps, because they would just stuck more inside the pin. I use the needle additional to easier get them out. Just a recommendment by me. We show here again. Okay, this one did it without a needle or a little screwdriver, whatever you want to take for. It's better to be 2 persons for this work. And here you can gonna see the door panel now. So to get these parts, their usual tension again, we press them back in the old position, like I show here. We also changed the door handles from the black plastic to car color. similar like to the car color ones, but I'm gonna show in another video. Now we are going to fit these clamps again. Hold from the rear side with your hands to protect from scratches. These panels are very easy to scratch. We call it piano paint because it's so shiny, and so also it's easy to scratch it. Be careful. So now we have complete all 4 of these clamps. And this is just a little teaser about the door handles before we going on with reassembling. Before you assemble connecting the door blades back, take care that this plastic sheet here is unhurt, because this keeps the moisture of the windows. For example, if there is rain or anything else, you get some moisture into the inside of the door, and if you hurt this or it is hurt, then you must repair it. In another way, the moisture could reach the door blade itself from inside, and this would result in ugly spots. Here I show once again from another view how to disassemble the door handle. And now I show you, just a second, I show you how to unlink the cable. And now we're gonna reassemble the whole stuff. Take care to link the cable, to connect the switches, the cable of the switches of the window drive again. Once again, check out the cover that keeps the moisture away. And now start with fixing at the upside. At the upside, there is at the window, there's a small gap in the door panel, must fit into this gap. Maybe you need to hammer on like we did. And that's just another teaser about my video coming about the replacement of the door handles. The driver's side has a little bit more stress because there is the lock, the key, but it makes a difference, as you're gonna see just a second. And so I wish you much success at your repairing whatever you need the door panels to disassemble. Maybe there is a failure in a window motor, in an electric window motor engine. Maybe there is a speaker to change, to replace, or what else. With this video you have a little guide about to disassemble and reassemble the door panel without destroying anything of these parts, because these parts are not so cheap, even if used. And enjoy driving your Mercedes. May you like and subscribe or give me some comments. I did my best. Also, I'm no native speaker. like I said. And we see at the next video. Ciao, bye bye.